In front of me is Redmi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open Settings and tap on About Phone at the bottom. Then choose Storage. Scroll all the way down and tap on Clear. Then choose Clean Up and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, storage of my Redmi was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!